Matcha tea. The unique benefits hidden in a cup. A cup of matcha tea will help you start your day energetically, offering the energy you need. This is due to the high concentration of flavonoids and L-theanine, which offer relaxing effects, increasing serotonin, GABA, and dopamine levels. Research shows that L-theanine is particularly useful for reducing high stress and anxiety levels because it increases relaxation without causing drowsiness. In addition, when combined with caffeine, it can help improve cognitive function and increase concentration and alertness. Matcha tea can improve mood, aid relaxation, and help maintain a healthy weight while providing energy. It is rich in antioxidant catechins and even has one of the highest amounts of antioxidants among superfoods according to the ORAC, Oxygen Radical Absorption Capacity, test. This makes it ideal for fighting free radicals, preventing cancer, and protecting the heart. Try the recipe below to make matcha tea easily. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon matcha powder, water, milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Implementation: mix a little hot water with the matcha powder to create a thick mixture. Using a whisk, mix until frothy. Then add more water while continuing to mix. Finish by adding warm milk or the sweetener of your choice. Dosage: consume 1 teaspoon of matcha per 1 cup of water, and you will feel the beneficial effects within 30 minutes, which will last for a few hours. Possible side effects: matcha does not appear to cause significant side effects when consumed in moderation, but high doses have large amounts of caffeine that can cause headaches, diarrhea, insomnia, and irritability.